Hello, everyone. I hope you're all having a fantastic week. If we haven't had the chance to meet, my name is Victoria Phelps, and today I would like to share with you what I've learned about the outer ear. I chose to do this presentation on the outer ear because I found it to be the most interesting, and I got the use of color shout out on my drawing. During this time, we will discuss the major landmarks of the outer ear, the functions of the outer ear, and finally, some diseases that affect the outer ear. The outer ear consists of two parts, the pinna, which is shown here in my drawing, and the EAC, external auditory canal. First, let's talk about the pinna. The pinna is the part of the ear that you can see. Sometimes, the pinna is called the auricle. The pinna is a series of ridges and depressions made up of elastic cartilage. Here on my drawing, you can see the major landmarks of the pinna. Up here at the top, you can see the helix. It goes down into the crura of the antihelix, which is the little depression between the little V area right there. That is the V area, but the triangular fossa is the depression there in the middle. There's the crus of the helix right here. The tragus is right here. That might sound familiar because people get that pierced sometimes. Out here below the helix is the Darwin. Then there's the scapa, the depression right on the inside of the Darwin. There's the antihelix right here. And here's, of course, the lobule. People also get that pierced. And right here is the chondra of the auricle right here, and that goes into your EAC. Now we can move on to talk about the EAC. This is part of the external ear that you cannot see, and it is most commonly called the ear canal. The EAC is lined with skin, and it has glands that produce earwax, glands that produce oil, and hair follicles. The external ear has four very important functions. It protects the tympanic membrane. It conducts sounds from the outside environment into the tympanic membrane, and it migrates dead skin and debris out of the ear, so you don't need Q-tips, and it gives us the ability to know where sounds are coming from, also called localization. Disorders of the outer ear consist of infections. There's some cancers and some tumors that can affect it. Blockages are a big thing, and even trauma can affect the outer ear. Some specific diseases or disorders that I'm going to briefly go over are atalgia, extosis, external otosis, and blockages. Atalgia is defined as ear pain. There are two types, primary and referred. Primary atalgia is pain within the ear, and referred atalgia is pain outside of the ear. Extosis is also known as surfer's ear because it is caused by long-term exposure to cold water temperatures. External otosis, they're hard to pronounce, is most commonly called swimmer's ear, and that's something that I personally have had to deal with a lot. It is defined as an infection in the ear canal, and the symptoms include itching, swelling, and ear pain. Just about anything can get stuck in the ear canal and cause pain and even loss of hearing. And I know this might sound weird, but I've always found it really interesting to watch doctors pull blockages from people's ears. Anyways, I hope y'all all enjoyed this presentation, and I hope you have a great fall break. Bye!